Hello everyone. The former ANC National Executive Committee member, Tony Yengeni, has recently denied being a radical economic transformation force, despite being labeled as one due to his close ties with the former President Jacob Zuma and former ANC Secretary General Ace Magashule. According to Tony Yengeni, he never knew and still don't know what being red force means, but he has always believed in the RET policy adopted by the ANC at one of their conferences. His recent statement has raised concerns and confusion about whether he is distancing himself from the RET faction or not. Tony Yengeni said on Twitter, "Never been in RET force, don't even know what that means, but continue to fervently believe in radical economic transformation, as was resolved by an ANC conference in 2017. The RET was aimed to bridge the inequality gap between the rich and the poor in South Africa, one of the most unequal societies, despite having the best constitution." What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.